Okay, welcome back to another episode for PNG YouTube TOKTOK. Okay, lo here I am me by Tok Pisin diglig. Alright, what ba mi talk am lo regarding creating new play YouTube. Okay, if you want to become, suppose you like come up a YouTube content creator, me no talking you lo, but you start creating YouTube now na, but you start any money no ka. Em by lo commitment blo you, lo uh, lo schedules blo you, and then this is not just by you starting right away na you buy any money. No, you got some requirement where by you start by you making, for example, requirements for YouTube content YouTube to monetize lo YouTube, and by you have to get 4,000 plus watch hours. But you have to get 1,000 plus subscribers or 500. Now YouTube all changing new policy again, which is 500 subscribers early monetization, but fully monetized. And time you reaching 1,000, now you got some setting or by kind of you got some setting levels where by you passing. So what me like talk lo name to become a content creator in Papua New Guinea, sometimes it's very challenging. Why me talk same? Because CPM blow lo Papua New Guinea cost per mile, which means man where am viewing video blow you or am watching video blow you. If video blow you am reaching 1,000 viewers per video. Sometimes why CPM blowing me low, because 1,000 viewers per video. Sometimes this can pay me maybe 1.50 dollars. Sometimes by 95 cents or so, $0.95. So which is very low. So it can be like between $1 to $5. Yeah, suppose all viewers blow you lo Australia or lo America, CPM blow them high to mas. It can be $5 and above to 6 to 10 go on top. So what will I make him lo it's just suppose you reach him 500 above subscribers, 1,000 subscribers, now you come lo monetization period where you uploading pay video blow you na viewers blow you. You looking also 1,000 to 2,000 videos viewers per video. That's the estimation calculation where now me give him. So what me like talk him, suppose you like creating YouTube, but first you like creating YouTube, but you must get YouTube but you must get a Google account and Gmail, yeah, for example John Doe at gmail.com. Okay, so suppose John Doe at gmail.com you create him, or I'm creating Gmail pinis. Okay, time I'm creating Gmail, you got some requirement whereby you have to fill him in. So for example, create him Gmail too, you must protect him Gmail below you must get this sample security settings below you too, you must set him all authentication bypass. It must be got fingerprint too, it must be got face biometrical authentications, yeah. So this security features can help him can allow him Gmail account below sample for example sample all Eka or sample line where like still him Gmail below you, they have to go through those biometric features. So what me like him, that's the security feature where me like him people applying to lo Gmail people. No good lo future suppose you create him suppose you create him YouTube account too, you got policy, I mean you got sample all notification where back lo account blue YouTube account blue or maybe Gmail account blue or some all but your account is at risk. So you have to add your phone number, or you have to add your biometric authentications or biometric credentials. So this like about you have to add him. So that's the first thing. But you have to get Google account. After Google account now, but you go in lo phone or anything, maybe desktop or laptop you using, but you go in lo YouTube. Time you click in YouTube, but you go lo narapla profile. By you time you click lo profile blue, by look all emails blue by lineup. Suppose you been creating triple or two ply email or one ply phone, by look at two ply email by show out or triple email. Lo previous video blow me been showing me lo English version by pla looking mo sama all steps by pla follow him lo. So what me like making in mo now tasol by you me creating YouTube na by me monetize no kad take times consistency how you uploading videos below you, how you reply lol comment below you, how you rearrange more content ideas below you, how you rearrange more thumbnails below you, all video descriptions below you, hashtags below you, keywords below you, how you setting up YouTube below you. Now that's the time where YouTube algorithm by looking YouTube below you. Now I'm batok, oh YouTube lo mania in hota so mi ba putim lo this lab YouTube algorithm ba redeem igada lo understanding below me. This is a machine, YouTube a machine where suppose you uploading one video ya, for example suppose education emba putim lo education where whole man sa interest lo education, watching more education videos. Suppose YouTube lo is video lo is all about sports, emba putim lo sports category. So you get one all category where emba putim. So what me like making it's just a starting point, guys. No can give up lo previous all videos lo me sa talk, no can give up, no can lose hope. Time you look mo subscribers be no grow no gat, guys. This is 5 years plan, this is 7 years plan, this is 6 years plan. Now tasol bayu creating YouTube channel na bayu kasi money no gat. Kay to you me planning too. Sa take him time, sa take him 3 months, sa take him 2 months. Lo kay baka map good na bayu harvest him. So YouTube too same tasol. Mitok finish no karon plus something missing, guys. You sweat, you hard work, more you creating more content. Subscribers be baka map. Alright, go pla having lo plan na uso you pla watch lo maybe night or day lo morning or one map. Good pla night, good pla morning, good pla day lo you pla. Thank you na you may bungon lo next episode lo me. Signing out. Na no can use din lo subscribe lo channel lo me. This la am lo helping you me all PNG YouTube creators, YouTube content creators. Suppose you interest, me drop him WhatsApp number below. Suppose you interest, WhatsApp me or comment below na you may by helping each other. This is free, guys. I'm a free agent here. I'm trying to help. Me like help him. You all Papua New Guineans, you me all Papua New Guineans na by me grow together. Like him you plan.